In today's dynamic work environment, effective project management is no longer a luxury but a necessity. Whether you're a seasoned project leader or just starting to navigate the complexities of team collaboration, having the right tools at your disposal can make all the difference. Among the plethora of project management platforms available, Basecamp stands out for its intuitive design and focus on clear communication. Basecamp isn't just another task management system. It's a central hub for all your project-related activities. It brings together to-do lists, file sharing, real-time discussions, scheduling, and automatic check-in questions, all within a user-friendly interface. This holistic approach helps teams stay organized, aligned, and ultimately more productive. If you're looking to harness the power of Basecamp and elevate your project management skills, you've come to the right place. This comprehensive guide will walk you through various avenues where you can learn how to effectively use Basecamp, regardless of your technical proficiency or prior project management experience. 1. The official Basecamp resources, your starting point. The most logical place to begin your Basecamp learning journey is with the platform itself. The creators of Basecamp have invested significantly in providing comprehensive and easily accessible learning materials. Basecamp Help Center. Think of the Help Center as your official Basecamp encyclopedia. It's filled with articles and guides covering every aspect of the platform, from basic account setup to advanced feature utilization. You'll find step-by-step instructions, accompanied by clear screenshots and concise explanations. Whether you're wondering how to create a new project, assign tasks, participate in discussions, or manage your schedule, the Help Center has you covered. The search functionality makes it easy to find specific information quickly. Basecamp guides and tutorials. Beyond the Help Center, Basecamp offers dedicated guides and tutorials that walk you through specific workflows and best practices. These resources often take a more practical approach, demonstrating how to use different features in real-world project scenarios. You might find guides on running effective client projects, managing internal team collaborations, or streamlining your daily tasks using Basecamp. These resources often incorporate visual aids and practical examples to enhance understanding. Basecamp blog. The official Basecamp blog is another valuable resource. While it may not focus solely on how-to guides, it often features articles that highlight effective ways to use Basecamp features, share user success stories, and provide insights into project management best practices that can be implemented within the platform. Following the blog can expose you to new ideas and ways to optimize your Basecamp usage. 2. Visual learning, embracing video tutorials. For many, visual learning is the most effective way to grasp new software functionalities. Fortunately, there's a wealth of video tutorials available for Basecamp users of all levels. Official Basecamp video tutorials. Basecamp often produces its own video tutorials that provide concise and clear demonstrations of key features and workflows. These videos are usually well-produced and focus on specific aspects of the platform, making it easy to learn at your own pace. Look for these on their official website or linked within their Help Center. Third-party video platforms, YouTube, Vimeo, etc. Numerous independent creators and project management experts have video tutorials on Basecamp. Platforms like YouTube and Vimeo host a wide range of videos, from introductory overviews to in-depth explorations of specific features. When searching for these tutorials, use specific keywords like Basecamp tutorial for beginners, Basecamp task management, or Basecamp discussions. Be sure to evaluate the credibility and recency of the videos you watch. Online course platforms, Udemy, Coursera, Skillshare. While dedicated Basecamp courses might be less common than for more technical software, you might find project management courses on these platforms that incorporate Basecamp as a practical tool. These courses often provide a more structured learning experience with exercises and assignments. 3. Interactive learning, hands-on experience. The most effective way to truly learn Basecamp is by using it. Take advantage of any free trial periods offered to explore the platform firsthand. Start a trial project. Create a mock project within Basecamp to experiment with its features. Invite a few colleagues or friends to participate to simulate a real team environment. Try creating to-do lists, assigning tasks, sharing files, and engaging in discussions. This hands-on experience will solidify your understanding of how the different elements of Basecamp work together. Follow along with tutorials. As you watch video tutorials or read guides, actively replicate the steps within your trial Basecamp account. This active engagement will significantly improve your retention and understanding. Experiment with different features. Don't be afraid to click buttons and explore different functionalities. Basecamp is designed to be intuitive, and you're unlikely to break anything. Experiment with features like the campfire chat, the schedule tool, and the automatic check-ins to see how they can benefit your projects. 4. Community and collaboration, learning from others. The Basecamp community can be a valuable source of knowledge and support. Basecamp forums and communities. Check if Basecamp has official or unofficial user forums or communities where users can ask questions, share tips, and discuss best practices. Engaging with other users can provide insights and solutions to challenges you might encounter.